got a baby that we don't know about. Pink since she famous, miss about to show out. Bang in the back, she need a blowout. Lacking in the back, she need a workout. Sis over there looking all wore out. This little Abby edge is all ball out.
Welcome back to the family, New gang. So today in the garden edition, we're going to be doing ivory. We're going to go ahead and show you exactly the benefits, how you can clip it and make it your own from your very own yard clippings. So stay tuned and continue to watch, and please watch to the very end. You never know what you may receive.
So I cut it right there where there's a pivot here, so that it continues to grow. And then you have this at the end of it. So we're gonna go ahead and get a few more of these because my other ones are going to be planted today. So I wanna replace them so that I have multiples to be able to make a huge flower. So since this one has this growing already started and a little nudge coming out here, I'm just gonna cut this one about here so that it feeds to the other one. And there you have it. And we're gonna head to the house. So what you're gonna do is here, you're gonna go ahead and cut this off so that the roots are able to come through here and this leaf doesn't take away all the energy. So we're gonna cut that off. And I want to have good roots, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off as well. And that's what you have at the end. All you gotta do is grab your bottle. I prefer clear bottles because it just matches my decor much better. And then I just pop it in like so. And there you have it. And then we'll be back. Well, I'm gonna pop this one off too. And if you can see here on the one that we just cut, it actually has new life coming in. So this will be fun to watch this one grow. I'm gonna cut this one off here and this one off here. And then we're gonna plop this down in the water as well. And for this one that had the new growth, I'm gonna actually cut the little ones off. And don't forget that you can save these and put them in water as well. So we're gonna put these in water, and also the leaves here like this, we're gonna put those in water and they'll start to grow as well. Because that'll give it a good root base. Cut that off. We're gonna cut that off. Plop it down inside like so. Having a little bit of trouble here. All right, and we'll be right back with you, and I'll show you what happens after this starts growing for about a few weeks. So here, as you can see, this actually has some roots that have already started to grow, and it's been sitting in a bottle for about a couple weeks now, and it's growing. It started with these little baby ones, and as these started to grow, then these shot up like within a day or two afterwards, which is crazy to me. So they're ready to actually be planted, but I don't want to plant them just yet. I want to leave them so that these can grow, but I'll show you the next step after this. Now this one is one that we potted and added 1, 2, looks like about 3, maybe 4 cuttings here. Now I know you're wondering, why are we doing all this? Because you can use this for things like soap, like laundry soap and things of that nature, to be able to, you know, have something that is readily available to be able to still wash your clothes with everything that's currently happening. And as you can see, the soil is pretty much dry. I don't try to keep it very moist because they're the type of flowers that can kind of go without a lot of moisture, so that's why it's good for like beginners for sure. But not only can you use them and they have those benefits, it actually has benefits. So when it's inside, it's able to cleanse the air. Now for animal lovers, this is something that you may want to stay away. If your pets tend to eat the plants, although we have pets, they do not eat the plants. They tend to stay away if they know it's poisonous, so they're pretty smart in that aspect. Now we have this, and as you can see when you look at it from this angle, you can see it doesn't look all pleasing to the eye. But when you come over here, you have it like this, and it's growing, and it goes all the way down. That is what you end up with when you add multiples to this. So you have one here, and I'm gonna have my cameraman continue. Camera woman. You have one here, another one over here, one here. You have one here, 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 here. You have one over here, one over here, one here, 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 and here, right? So you take all of these and add them to one big pot, and as they start to droop or grow, they'll droop down, and that gives you that hanging effect that you currently see now. And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you want to see the video about how to make the soap, definitely leave a comment down below. We're more than willing to add that, incorporate that. If there's anything else that you guys want to see that we're doing, we use plants to actually make cleaning supplies other than just the laundry soap. So yeah, stay in touch and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for sure. And we're out as the New Gang.